What's going on, you guys? My name is Kahan, and today we're going to be doing a little video on my Mustang. It's broken down like usual, so let's go check it out. So the first thing we're going to fix is this radiator. I've had it in for about 2 years, and for the last 6 months it's been leaking all over the place. As you can see, the ground, it's been here for like a week, and it's like my backyard's a slight decline, so everything's going to the front of the car and it's just leaking out here. So luckily I reached out to Matt at Champion Cooling Systems, and I found out that this radiator has a lifetime warranty. So I'm stoked on that, because everything I have that breaks, it never has a warranty that's lifetime, so it's cool that it finally worked out. Kind of sad, all this fluid looks pretty clean, and the reason is because it's brand new. Sad just to see it go. The hoses on this car have never wanted to come off nicely, so I'm really hoping today they'll just pop right off. That'll make my day. Pretty crazy how many insects this radiator has killed. Poor things. Honestly, this fan is pretty gross looking. I think I'm gonna paint it real quick, and probably that spacer too. Hopefully make my engine bay look a little bit cleaner. So I don't know what I was thinking, but I removed all the paint and rust off of this and spent 2 hours on it. But now it's time to paint it. It's so cool to see the original Ford stamping on this metal. Alright guys, it's the next day now, and I'm looking at this fan that I painted from last night, and it came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. I'm happy none of the paint reacted with anything, because I've been having trouble with that recently. So happy with how this turned out. It makes me want to paint the rest of the motor. Now everything else looks so ugly. I just got so mad. My hand slipped and it just totally hit all those fins. Now they're all screwed up. I'm just gonna try to paint it and hopefully it'll look fine, but it never does after you mess them up. I'm hungry, it's hot, and I hit myself, and now I'm mad. We just finished the radiator install. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks nice because it's all new paint. Except that I messed up all those fins, which really makes me mad, but what can you do? I was trying to be gentle, but it didn't really work out. We're going down to a little car meet in Huntington Beach. My dad's tagging along. Should be interesting. I don't know how it will be, but we'll see you guys there. All right, we're ready to go. We're cruising right now. There's a little bit of traffic. It's pretty hot out too, but we have the windows down and we're cooling down that way.
Look at the bug.
Alright guys, we're leaving and we're car spotting in people's garages, but we're in the very back, so we'll have to catch up. blocking the road for us.
Damn, he's a maniac.
Just full on red light. This guy's just blocking the whole intersection on PCH. So I kind of lost everyone, so we're just gonna go home. It's kind of late anyways, but it was pretty fun, but it was a totally different perspective. It's in Huntington Beach, no one wears masks. There's no social distancing. It's really odd. Like in Burbank, where we're from, everyone wears masks on their walk just by themselves. It's very odd. It's like a totally different area. It's crazy right now. It's 7 o'clock on a Wednesday. There's no one on this. Never gonna be like this again.